Da sind wir, Museum. Ach ja, wenn man es weiß, ist es wirklich einfach gewesen. Das vorher im Asylum.
Barely seen on TV was my last hope. I didn't know what connection there could be between the Mayans and what had happened to me. But at that point,
Ist es Maya?
Maya, Maya, wo bist du? Maya.
Oh, Willi! Guck mal, der Hitman!
hello.
Hitleman!
Hitleman!
Hitleman! Das ist einfach der Hitman mit Bart. Hitleman.
Der Hitlerman. So, der Professor wartet schon auf mich. Komm, gehen wir doch gleich hier. Hallo!
Professor Kuryakin?
Yes?
Professor Teriyaki?
We spoke on the phone.
Yeah, man. Got a lot of chicken here. Chicken teriyaki.
Ah, yes, I've been waiting for you, young man. What paper did you say you write for once again?
Mm,
In fact, I'm a freelance journalist. I write articles and sell them to whoever wants to publish them.
It's curious, but your face seems familiar to me. Have we met somewhere before?
Spasten. Spasten.
I get that. I guess I must have one of those boring faces everybody sees everywhere.
Well then, let's have a go at it. Where would you like to start?
Ich bin
Can you
gerade
tell me anything about Kueknitlan?
Of course. Come, I'll introduce.
Schreibt mal mit Dr.
Drrr. Da ist es doch, die Schlange mit zwei Köpfen. Da haben wir sie doch.
You see before you the ancient Mayan god Kueknitlan, the serpent with the two heads. One head sees in this reality, the second in the other world. By opening both mouths, the Mayan oracles could see through the serpent into the other world.
Could you explain this other world?
Oh, the world beyond our own, the kingdom of the gods and the dead. The Mayans believed that human sacrifices allowed them to hear the voices of the deceased and see into the future.
Neuner Chicken McNuggets. Werf rüber. Durch die Schlange durch.
How did the sacrificial
Opa?
ceremony work?
Come, I'll show you.
Werf die Oma her.
Werft die mal her. Bring sie zurück.
Oh, hast du Bumse.
Ich dachte, du kannst dich bewegen.
Ja,
A two-headed serpent. The same shape that I carved on my forearms the night of the murder.
oh.
Closer, young man. Honestly, this journalist gets stranger and stranger.
Head of statue representing
Ich
Itzam.
glaube, der will mit dir weiter.
Discovered in Chiapas.
Weiß es nicht. Wo steht er dann hier?
This painting, dating from the 1st century BC, shows a sacrificial ceremony. The victim's agony must have lasted quite some time. The priority being to keep the mouths open as long as possible.
Da hinten ist eine Karte.
Stabbed 3 times, each wound cutting a pulmonary artery leading to the heart.
The Oracle is not the one stabbing the victim?
Oh, the Oracle must never soil himself with the blood of another. That is why he chooses a sort of proxy.
Ja, wissen wir's ja.
A person in the crowd, totally at random. This person becomes the executor. The Oracle takes complete control of the executor, manipulating him from a distance.
What happened to the executor after the sacrifice?
He went mad and committed suicide after accomplishing his part of the ritual.
A Mayan sacrifice. That's what it was.
You aren't a journalist, are you? Who are you?
My name is Lucas Kane. The police are looking for me about a murder that I did not commit, but I was the executor.
You're a murderer?
I'm innocent. I stabbed someone I'd never seen before, 3
Hätte
times.
ich es vielleicht doch nicht sagen sollen?
Just like you described.
Do you mean to say that there is a Mayan oracle still living today? But that's completely impossible.
Ich zeige mal die Vorderarme.
This symbol before?
Oh, it's the symbol of Quegnitlan. The executors cut this into their own forearms before accomplishing the sacrifice. So, it is true. My God, the Codex was right.
The Codex? What are you talking about, Professor?
You can't stay here. Your picture is in the paper that the security guard is reading. He's sure to recognize you. Come, let's leave here, and I'll tell you
Hilft
all.
ja sogar, krass.
Ja, das war meine einzige Hoffnung eigentlich. Ich will noch die Karte.
Ich war's dort.
Boing, 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 boing.
Thank you for your help, Professor.
Och nee. Oh, jetzt geht er aber ab, der Professor. Alter. Der sportliche Lukas. Tak 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 tak.
Hä, das ist doch ein zweites Auto, krass.
Alter, das ist so abgefuckt.
Wie bei Driver im Anfangslevel.
Ja, genau, ich mache jetzt die Lizenz. Junge, gehst du ab? Gott, wie viele Autos sind das noch? Ah, okay, fertig.
The Codex speaks of the coming of a child, a prophet, the answer to all of life's questions. The oracle kills to find the child.
Das Mädchen haben wir ja gesehen, das Kind. Eieiei. Unknown place. Hurra!
Dschungel.
Ich bin bei Lost auf der Insel.
Ja.
There you are. I've been looking forward to meeting you. Few men are capable of resisting an oracle. What is there so different about you? The chroma. You have the chroma. So that explains it. How did you ever acquire such a power? No matter. What matters is, the time has come for you to die.
Chroma.
The chroma? What does that mean?
The force that created the universe. The origin of everything. It gives extraordinary powers to those who possess it.
Warum?
Why me? Why choose me?
Pure chance. The executor is always taken from the crowd. It's a great honor for you to be chosen to serve Quetzalcoatl. Enough talk. Other matters await my attention. We will see each other again. In the other world.
Uh-oh.
Gibintina Quendane.
Nee.
Und Pando!
Oh, schon wieder Quicktime. Quicktime.
Warum ist denn der jetzt so schlecht animiert?
Ich hatte ehrlich gesagt nicht die Zeit, mir den anzugucken, so gescheit. Muss ich im Let's Play nachholen. Ja, okay, der sieht extrem komisch aus. Ja, gut. Ich weiß nicht, ich glaube, ich hätte schon längst aufgegeben und mich umgebracht. Ich hätte keinen Bock auf die Scheiße.
Oder weit weg fahren.
Ja, und tschüss.
Aber ich schon noch Südamerika. Und ich keiner fickt.
Guck mal, jetzt habe ich schon so oft verkackt und trotzdem ist immer great. Maya.
Maya, erzähle es von dir.
Okay.
Agatha, but how?
Was ist jetzt in der anderen Welt? Ich weiß nicht.
Listen closely, Lucas. Those who employ the Oracle are searching for a little girl, a perfectly pure soul that's never been incarnated. Her coming was foretold by the most ancient prophecy in human history. She's the one you see in your dreams. You must find her before the Oracle does and put her someplace safe.
Weißt du, wer das ist? Der Tyler. Der Tyler ist das kleine Mädchen.
Was das für Drehungen und Wendungen nimmt, dieses Spielchen.
Noch ein Unknown Place. Noch ein Unknown Place.
I must inform you that we are unhappy.
Very unhappy.
He has escaped you again.
First in the museum lot.
A big mistake, the museum lot.
And then, in the wave, what's worse, you showed yourself openly to him.
And all for nothing.
It's just... I was unaware of certain factors.
Das ist Orakel, ne?
Ich denke, ja.
He
Und der andere war... Das ist der, ne? Wo vorhin jetzt gerade im Dschungel war.
Genau. Denke ich mal.
I know not, but it is a certainty that he does. This is how he resisted my psychic attacks and successfully evaded the police.
This could force us to change our plans.
This is serious.
Very serious.
That is not all. Someone has intervened.
What do you mean?
While you were with him in the wave? Yes, my lord. Someone brushed aside all of my attacks on Cain and protected him.
It was not one of ours.
Certainly not.
No. I think it was something else. Its chroma was... different.
Another clan?
That's impossible. Only we are left.
We have a rival.
Who searches for the indigo child as we do.
They must not find the child.
That would be a catastrophe.
A disaster.
Cain is on their side.
Unless they are just using him.
He is the key.
He sees through our eyes.
He must not find the child.
You must deal with this problem.
Definitively. I have already taken measures. He will be definitively dealt with. And soon.
Do not disappoint us.
You may leave us.
Gute Cutscene, aber warum muss ich dabei Quicktime-Dinger drücken? Warum? Sleazy Hotel!
Du warst so gefickt von dem Spiel.
Ich wär von dem Spiel gefickt. In alle Richtungen.
The Oracle is in Marcus's church. There's not a moment to lose.
Warum bist du blond?
Ich weiß es nicht.
Backup will be here any minute now.
No way. This time I'm gonna get him. The desk guy swore to us that he was in his room, and he's not gonna get away.
I hope that guy didn't screw up when he said he recognized Kane's photo from the papers. He looked so blind he wouldn't recognize his own mother in a phone booth.
We'll find the answer in room 316.
Ohne Einsatzteam gehen die doch hin, ne? Kann bloß bei der Amis das sein.
Schau direkt ab. Das erwischt man nicht. Ey! Warum ist der Balg eigentlich wieder so fett da oben?
Fehler?
Ah, ich kann zur Color wechseln.
Here it is.
It's the wrong room number.
Was?
Müssen jetzt fassen?
Ein Heiler! Ja, ich weiß es nicht. Ich geh einfach mal rein. Zack.
Nobody move!
Oh! Entschuldigung!
Either he's gone through some changes since the photo, or this is not him.
Shit! What the hell happened?
Calm
So.
down, girl.
Du hast die 6 umgedreht.
My brother's in danger. I've got to warn him right away.
Dann hau doch jetzt aus dem Kackfenster ab! Boah, weißt du was? Geh raus in den Gang. Geh einfach raus, komm. Ah, Telefon.
Pick up, Marcus. Pick up.
Ah, super.
Hello, my son. I'll be with you in just a minute. I just need to answer the telephone.
Ist aber schnell. Der wird doch umgebracht jetzt, 100 Pro.
St. Paul's Cathedral.
Marcus, he's in the church. Don't let him get anywhere near you.
Lucas? Is that you, Lucas? What's going on?
I don't have time to explain, Marcus. Run, right now. Shut the doors and lock them tight. I'm begging you, just do what I say.
Oh, come now, Lucas.
Just do it, now!
Schnell die Tür zumachen. Oh, die Zeit rennt, die Zeit rennt. Ah, ne. Gut. Ich hab Zeit.
Okay.
Ich kann aber auch nichts machen gerade. Ah, doch.
All right, I'm locked in. Now, can you explain what's going on?
Call the police, and don't come out until they get there.
Lucas?
Jetzt hat's es gerafft. Bist so blöd.
There must be another room 369 down the hall somewhere.
Down geht's Hall.
It's the wrong room number.
Ja, super. 363, 373.
Das muss dann noch gegen dich selber spielen.
It's the wrong room number.
Ja gut, machen wir im Prinzip ja schon die ganze Zeit, ne?
Das ist schon krass. Du weißt schon gar nicht, was jetzt richtig ist, um im Spiel weiterzukommen.
Ne. 368. 3-6 Ausgang. So. Zack. Hämmer dich, du Bastard. Ne, doch nicht.
Tyler, I promise you.
Come on, let's go.
Spider-Man!
Wie? Was?
Und über dem Fenster gange. Die Drecksau.
Jetzt geht's mir richtig gut.
Jetzt geht's ihm super. Er ist auch Spider-Man.
Oh nein.
Sie ist am alten Rammelplatz.
You must realize now that I am not joking. So please, don't delay.
Ha! Okay, und wie es weitergeht, seht ihr dann im nächsten Part, Jungs. Bis dann.
Nur wenn der brav sind.
Bis dann. Tschüss.
Eiersalate.